Here is a step-by-step tutorial to resolve the file server access denied issue, typically caused by permission misconfiguration or user profile corruption. Step 1. Identify the affected users. Ask the user for the exact drive folder they are trying to access. Note the error message, for example, access denied. You do not have permission. Get the user's username or computer name. Step 2. Check network connectivity. Ensure the user is connected to the company network, wired or VPN if remote. Test by running ping FileServerName from the command prompt. Try accessing another shared folder to confirm if the issue is specific or widespread. Step 3. Verify file server status. On the server, open Server Manager, File and Storage Services. Make sure the file server is online and the shared folders are accessible. Check if other users can access the same shared drive. Step 4. Inspect folder permissions log into the file server with admin credentials. Navigate to the affected shared folder. Right-click. Properties. Sharing tab. Click Advanced Sharing. Permissions. Ensure the user or their group, for example, domain users accounting, has the right permissions. Go to the Security tab. Verify NTFS permissions also allow access. Use the Effective Access tab to simulate permissions for the user. Tip: permission must be granted at both the share and NTFS levels. Step 5. Re-add user permissions if needed. If user group permissions are missing or incorrect, click Edit, add the user or group. Set to read, write, or full control as appropriate. Click Apply, OK to save changes. Step 6. Check for user profile issues on the user's computer. Run whomi in command prompt to confirm their login. Check if their domain profile is loading properly. Open C users and verify if a temp profile, for example, user.domain.000, is being used. If yes, the profile is corrupted. To fix a corrupted profile, have the user log out, log in as admin, go to Control Panel, System, Advanced System Settings, User Profiles, Settings, delete the corrupted profile. In the Registry Editor, go to HK Local Machine Software, Microsoft Windows, NTE Current Version, Profile List. Find the corrupted SID, ends with .back, and remove it. Step 7. Force a group policy update on the user's PC, gpupdate/force, then restart the computer. Attempt to access the shared drive again. Step 8. Clear cached credentials. Go to Credential Manager, Windows Credentials. Remove any cached credentials related to the file server. Try reconnecting to the shared drive. The user will be prompted to re-enter the correct credentials. Step 9. Remap network drive, optional. Open File Explorer, this PC, map network drive. Reconnect to the shared drive using the correct path. File server name shared folder. Step 10. Check Event Viewer, Advanced. On the file server, go to Event Viewer, Windows Logs, Security or System. Look for access denied errors or failed login attempts. This may help trace permission issues or user misidentification. Final step. Test and confirm. Have the user test access to the shared drive. Confirm they can read, write as needed. If the problem persists after all these steps, consider recreating the user profile group policy conflicts server disk errors or DFS misconfigurations.